Hello, children. Today, our topic is about a fraction. So, what is a fraction? Fraction is nothing but it is a part of the whole. So, you can see here a cake is dividing into total 8 parts. So, total 8 parts. So, in this 8, now if we take in the one part, so this is what 1 by 8. Now it can be considered as this part can be written as 1 by 8. So, and here beside below that the chocolate, so it is dividing into, the chocolate is divided into 4 parts. So the one, this part can be considered as 1 by 4 or 1/4 of the chocolate. So here we have written, means all the fractions are written in the form of a by b. In this, a is a numerator and b is a denominator. Children, here we'll do sometimes more mistakes. So the whole should be divided into 4 equal parts. Then we can write it as 1 by 4. This part can be written as 1 by 4. But you can see in the second figure, the parts are not equal. When the parts are not equal, we should not written as 1 by 4. So the parts must be equal. Now let us learn about various types of fractions. So what are the types of fractions and how we can able to represent as fraction, how we are going to find, let us see. Let us start with like and unlike fractions. So what are the like fractions? You see the examples as given 1 by 5 and 8 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So you observe the denominators, all the denominators of these fractions are the same as 5. So what do we say in like fractions? The denominators of the fractions are same, means all the denominators as 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, so these are the like fractions. And let us come to the unlike fractions. Unlike, the meaning of unlike is different. See here few examples as given 5 by 4, 5 by 1, 5 by 8, 5 by 3. All of these denominators are different. So that what do we call this? As unlike fractions. So I hope you understand about the like fractions and unlike fractions. Next we have proper fraction. Proper is always, we can see the denominators are greater than the numerators. Here denominator is greater than numerator, like 9 by 10 or 1 by 4, or you can write as 2 by 5. Okay, so denominator should be greater than the numerator. Then we can say they are the proper fractions, where the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Either you can say denominator is greater than numerator or numerator is smaller than denominator. This is what proper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper, here you can understand the word as improper, means the parts are more than the whole part. See here denominator is smaller and the numerator is greater. See 10 by 9, 6 by 5, 100 by 9, 25 by 9 and 5 by 4. These are the examples about improper fractions. Improper fractions are the fractions where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So this is about proper, improper fractions. So let us see about mixed fractions. So here the word is mixed. Mixed is a combination of whole plus proper fraction. Whole plus proper fraction. Whole, here see the example, one complete cake as well as another cake, just 3 parts. So a cake is divided into 4 parts, but we are taking only 3 parts. So that totally this is 1 plus 3 by 4. So what do we write it as? 1 3 4 or 1 3 4. Okay, so this is nothing but mixed fraction. So the mixed fraction is nothing but an improper fraction, or improper fractions can be written as mixed fractions. Here we have unit fractions. Unit. So the mean of unit is the numerator consists always as 1. Means let us see few examples as 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 9. See the numerators all are as 1, 1, 1. Next let us see whole fractions. Whole is the denominator as 1. So 5 by 1, 8 by 1 and 3 by 1. So here you observe that the denominators are 1, 1, 1. So that these are called as whole fractions.